Hello, we are the group that is implementing project E736, which is the undo functionality for Expertiza. We are using PaperTrail as the main tool to implement the undo functionality. PaperTrail is an active record versioning gem for Rails that keeps track of all the changes applied to whichever models that we choose to be included. There are other versioning gems available, but PaperTrail seems to be the most popular and most up-to-date. In order to use PaperTrail to start versioning changes to a model, all we have to do is include the line has PaperTrail in the model.
As we started to implement undo, we added the functionality to each controller and model as we got to it. The commonality between all of this code led to us revising our approach to be more dry. We were able to include the main undo code in the application controller and have all individual controllers able to access that functionality. One challenge that we overcame during the project was restoring record associations. We accomplished this by using timestamps and user IDs to group database transactions together. Another challenge that we overcame was resolving the attempt to undo an action in which one of the involved objects has already been updated by another user. Next, we will walk through several undo scenarios to show how easy it is to use this new functionality.
I'm going to show you guys how the undo works. So if you want to update a course, you change the name, you'll be able to undo it. Here's the link. Also, you will be able to redo the action. You can see that the name is back. It also works when you try to have a new course. You can undo it and it's gone. Another thing I want to show you is about import a theme for a course. You can import it from a file and you can undo that. It's gone. Another thing is that you want to get rid of all the themes, and you can always undo that. And here's another case. If the admin modified this course to another name, and meanwhile we can see here I logged in as another user in here, and I modified the same course. In this case, the admin will not be able to undo it, and it will show this error message. Here's another example showing that the undo works for model associations. So here's a survey which has many questions, and we can rename it. At the meantime, we can add a new question. Also, we can get rid of a pre-existing one. And we can still undo that, and you can see that everything is back to its previous state.
This video only scratches the surface of the work that we have completed. We have documented our completed work along with possible future work. This could include continuing to expand the undo functionality to cover a greater breadth of Expertiza, and possibly integration testing of the undo functionality. You can find our documentation by accessing our wiki. Once again, we are the group E736 of the undo functionality for Expertiza. Thank you.